You know, my dad always runs the English wheel a lot. Ever since the accident, it's kind of messed it up for a while, but he's still back to doing it.
It just makes me sore. Makes my neck sore. It takes your whole body running it. But boy, you can work a lot of dents out with it. You can take a hammer and dolly spot that you did, and you can make the whole dent go away. Right here was all dented. There, see right through here? This was all creased. This bottom area is so boogered up, I've made a new piece gonna go in there. So before I do that, I'm English wheeling it some more. And trying to get all these little imperfections out before I go to the next step. And then I'll wheel it again. But yeah, ever since the neck operation, it gets me all sore and screwed up at times, but whatever. You gotta kind of fucking deal with it. That's life.
New frame rail, the X-ray race. I put all this section in today. All this, that. All this section I put in today. Pretty much what I'm doing. Welding it all up.
As you can see right now, I've just kind of tack welded the piece in place. It's coming out real nice. It has a real nice angle to the whole shape. It's looking real good. It'll take care of all that rotted out area that was on the bottom. If you come up here to the front, you'll see where I've ran a lot of this fender on the English wheel and took out a lot of the dents off through here and removed all the dents through here. And it only has a little decay down here in the bottom and where somebody's boogered it up with some other welds. So I'm going to grind all this out and refix this corner, but I won't have to do the amount of damage that I had to do to the back fender. The other fender on the other side isn't as severe either. So I'll show you them as I do them. It's Saturday. I'll probably come back up Sunday in the morning for a couple hours and get her welded in. But if you look at it down this side real nice right through here, you can see the roll came out really nice, and that's just tacked into position, and this back area is rolled in real nice. So that's where we're at. I mean, where'd the hammer go? I've got close on it. What we're doing is putting these cold rivets in, and you got to put them in, heat them up, and hammer them over and dial them out. The cold rivet. And what we do is put them in, carry them up, put them in, and air hammer them back. And we're down to our last one, that's all. It's not lined up. Let me get a smaller. Alright, we're out of here. It's Tuesday evening. I don't know. 8 something. And we're going to try to get the frame finished up in glass bead. We got a lot of other things glass bead and done. And we kind of wrapped up, but we're going to take it back out and try to get it done because it's going to rain tomorrow and the next day. And in between stuff, we just try to get this sanded down and put in all its black and all the front suspension parts put back together. Alright, so
Gloss black right here.
yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the light. You'd have to shine a light on it, but yeah, you can see that it was shiny gloss black underneath of it. A couple places. It don't matter. Besides all the rust that was everywhere. But frames all turned out good. Everything back to normal. Turned out real nice.